Tarun will start. Tarun, read 82.
As the branch manager at ABC Bank, you have been presented with a loan proposal from a customer aiming to re-establish a startup business. The proposed business holds significant potential, but it also comes with high level of risk. Given these circumstances, would you approve the loan for this customer?
Very interesting. Pooja, read.
As a branch manager of ABC Bank, you have been presented with a loan proposal from a customer aiming to re-establish a startup business. The proposed business holds significant potential, but it also comes with a high level of risk. Given these circumstances, would you approve the loan for this customer?
Rohit, read.
As the branch manager at ABC Bank, you have been presented with a loan proposal from customer aiming to re-establish a startup business. The proposed business holds significant potential, but it also comes with a high level of risk. Given these circumstances, how would you approve the loan for this customer?
Would you approve the loan for the customer? Correct. Good. Now, before we go into discussion of this, let me check up. Were you able to have some informal discussions among yourselves? Because I suggested yesterday. Was it made possible? Because some candidate offered Varsha offered to join, and yesterday, was it possible? Where did you have
Yes,
some
sir.
other you had some other discussions?
No,
Tarun?
sir, we didn't have, but it is possible to have from now.
No, but yesterday you could not have any discussion. I told all of you. Now it is
Yes,
only
sir.
only three of you are there. I suggest after this is over, any one of you, please, who will take the leadership?
Sir, I will do it.
Yeah, Tarun, take the leadership. Pooja and Rohit, I request you to participate for after my class, at least one or two more GD points. Okay, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
You
sir, we
can
will do.
you can come in. You can approach it in audio only. There is no need for video. Please do that. There is no need for recording also. But try to practice talking more in English. Very good. Now, who started this? Tarun. Tarun, please tell me what is your point regarding this. This is a tough question, of course. Now, what comes to your mind, you speak out.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. I'm Tarun from Amartya Vishwa Vidyapeetham. I'm doing my MSc Applied Statistics and Data Analytics. In this case, as a branch manager responsible for disbursing the loan, I will study the market potential of the proposed business. If required, I will take the help of the business valuation team to understand the potential. If the result is highly positive, I don't want to miss the chance as it will costly miss to the bank. I don't want my bank to lose its potential customer. I will approve the loan, but only with appropriate collateral. Thank you.
Good, good. Now, Pooja.
Good evening. I'm Pooja. I'm an MSc Physics student from Amartya Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore. The situation given is I'm the branch manager of ABC Bank, and I have been presented with a loan proposal from a customer aiming to re-establish a startup business. It has a high level of risk. So, the situation given is, will I approve the loan for the customer? If the given collaterals are okay to give the certain amount of loan, and if after the whole discussion, if I am convinced that the customer will be able to repay the loan even if the business collapses, I'll definitely
No,
prefer.
don't say business collapses. When the business collapses, how he will pay?
Okay, sir.
The business collapses, he cannot pay. There is a problem. Now restart again. You
Okay,
can
sir.
also use the point. This is a startup, and government wants to encourage startups. So, and because it is giving more employment opportunities, so you can use these points and then talk again. You can try next time afterwards. After
Okay, sir.
Rohit Babu. Rohit, you please speak.
Uh, Good evening, friends. I am Rohit Babu, doing my MSc in Amartya Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore, in physics. I would like to, as a bank manager, uh, this issue is of prime importance at the present time period, as RBI has initiated a fine on non-banking financial institutions for conducting unhealthy economical services, especially institutions like Muthoot Fincorp. I would like to I would like to recommend that this I will initiate, being the bank manager, I will initiate a thorough investigation on the history, economical history of this company, and I will also take in data from companies like S&P Globals, which is an economic health company. Currently, they have announced that they have bring down decreased unhealthy loans to 3.5 to 3 percentage when compared to the net loans. So I think this will solve the problem. Thank you.
Sorry, Rohit. Your reference to Muthoot and all is unnecessary here. Reference to S&P and all is not required. Take the information given in the question, use that and speak. Instead of talking about something which is not directly relevant. So that is the point I would like to tell you. Now, Pooja, try again.
Good evening. I am Pooja. I am doing my MSc in Physics from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore. Here, uh, in the situation, I have been given a position of a branch manager at ABC Bank, and there is a loan proposal in front of me, which aims to re-establish a startup business. There is a huge level of risk uh, which comes up with this business. So the question here is, will I approve the loan for the customer or not? Uh, First, I'll make a thorough background check on the customer, and I'll do a study on uh, how this business works and everything, and then um, looking into the collateral side and everything. If it is okay with the management, I'll give the loan, as uh, startups are important in a country, and even the government is providing uh, even the government is appreciating the innovative ideas that comes up with startup business, and also it creates much more employment in today's economy. So i'll definitely uh, I'll definitely approve the loan for the customer, provided every documents and collaterals satisfy the needs of the bank. Thank you.
Pooja, what happened? First, you can tell, I will approve the proposal. These are the
Yes, sir.
reasons. And end it again. On account of the above reasons, I will approve. That way, that's good. But today, in the other case studies, you were able to talk better. Whereas in this case study, what happened? You were telling, uh, I am the branch manager. So likewise, why are you doing like this? That shows your lack of confidence. Were you aware of this particular tendency in your speech?
So actually, if when I'm thinking much, like that thing comes, I
No,
have
no,
to
actually,
overcome that.
so no, no, actually, we should think beforehand so that we can speak easily. If you are going to speak simultaneously with what you are thinking here, that will result in delay. So be ready with information in your mind. Try to tell that
Yes.
one after the other slowly. That will make
Okay,
you
sir.
succeed. Puja, don't worry. Your date of interview not known. Correct?
No, sir, it will be on 21st or 22nd. The slot is not.
Very good. No problem. Slot is not an issue. For you, 21st. Rohit, for you?
Sir, same here.
Acha,
21st
for you.
and
Oh,
22nd.
both of you same college, na? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
both of you same college. What about Tarun?
Sir, it's on 22nd, sir. It is updated in
Already,
Fit Recruit apps.
already told us 22nd. Good. Congrats. Why they have mentioned it in your Fed Recruit app?
Yes, sir. It has stated that virtual on 22nd, but it didn't say when it will be happening. At time, they didn't mention
Timing is
times.
not. Very good. Very good. Don't worry. All of us are doing very well. We have to have this confidence in our mind when we go for the direct this thing. Today, other girls have not come. There is one Abhinaya, she is sick, and there is one Krishna, she is also sick. She has not come. And anybody else is absent today? And of course,
Anand Sai, Vishnu.
Anand Sai has not come. Vishnu also not come. Oh, Baba, perhaps they may come at 9 o'clock. I don't know. I have been telling very more than once, twice. I have given information in our what is that
Telegram.
Telegram. I don't know why they have not come. Doesn't matter. Now we will give one more opportunity. One more case. Rohit Babu. Rohit Babu, are you there?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 87. We'll finish it off quickly. Yeah. You are the sports secretary. Acha, I will stop this and re-record it.